This video shows how to access and use the drug database on the Ministry of Health's website. To begin, visit health.gov.tt. From the homepage menu, select e-Services, then navigate to the drug database. Once open, the database displays a range of key terms and their explanations. These include non-prescription drugs, over-the-counter drugs, third schedule drugs, controlled drugs, narcotics, antibiotics, veterinary drugs, deregistered drugs. Further down the page, there's an FAQ section, which provides helpful answers to common questions. Scroll to the drug database section, the Search Database button, prompting you to confirm that you have read and understood the information. It is important to note that the information provided in the database is not intended for self-prescribing. Individuals are advised to consult a qualified healthcare provider before using any medication. For official regulatory advice or approvals, users should contact the relevant authority through the Ministry of Health. Thank you for watching.